a long day of fly fishing can make one pretty hungry. Luckily, the guides know a great place for a quick snack.
So that's a piece of coconut.
Yeah.
Coconut frond. The middle bit, the middle piece.
The head is off there.
Oh,
I
got him?
I got it.
Got him.
But it's very,
Very deep.
deep.
Okay. I think the worm's got him. The worm's pulling him under. He's very deep.
You know that.
Wow. Wow, I'll hold him. You keep catching. They're beautiful. You can see these on the menu of some famous restaurants. Sandworms. Very sweet. There's a flavour of crab about them. We've got another one.
What have we got here, Stocker? And dried worms?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But maybe it's good for you because for me, I got a...
Oh, you need strong teeth?
And I need that strong
No,
teeth.
my fillings might
Like
come
the
out too.
kimono.
I'll give it a try.
No, it's okay, it's good.
Here we go. You got it.
Like a chewing gum.
Chewy.
Chew.
Nice. Nice flavour. Very chewy. This one could last me all day, I think. Ah, okay, this one's different. This one's easier to chew.
Maybe this one from yesterday.
Ah, so they're fresher. And they leave them here to dry in the sun, but initially they put them over the fire.
Before.
Put them on the fire, yeah, first. And then put them in the sun.
These processed sandworms are a valuable export commodity and are packed and shipped off to the surrounding islands. Like all businesses, there can sometimes be a bit of office politics.
There's more than one boss, many bosses.
It doesn't seem to stop them smiling, though. All societies have to balance resources and time. Self-sufficient communities are especially aware of this.